everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So, for some new subscribers, my name is Carolyn and I love clothes and shoes. A little bit of jewelry, not a hell of a lot, but just mostly clothes and shoes. And usually I do Stitch Fix, I do Nordstrom, I do sometimes a Wantable, Trendsend, front door fashion. So my tastes tend to be a little bit more expensive. And if you clicked on this video, you're like, Carolyn is doing a budget haul? Well, usually not, but I was picking around in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, I've been eyeing something on Poshmark, and I accumulated them all together, my purchases, and I figured I'd show it to you in a single haul as affordable fashion, okay? So, what did I get? All right, first thing from Poshmark. You guys know I love my level 99, and I got these level 99 pants. They do have some stretch in them. They're like a khaki or almost like a taupey kind of color. They have a big cuff on the bottom. It's like a crop type of style, like an ankle style. It'll probably be on me. They are part linen. I think modal's the other part. Let me tell you exactly. 51% linen, 46% lyocell, 3% spandex. I got them for Poshmark, new with tags, as you can see. And even though they were linen, you can see they're not a wrinkled mess. So they do have some creases and they can be steamed out. But for somebody sitting in somebody's closet and getting shipped and then sitting here, and I think they're in great shape. So hopefully these fit well. Level 99 usually do fit me well. And hopefully I can keep these and wear these. But I paid $26 or $25.99 with shipping, so not a bad price. They do have the slash pockets in front. And is this a working pocket? Yes, a working pocket that is sewn shut in the back. And I got these in my normal size 25. We'll see how they fit. So pretty excited about these. All right. Up next, I was at my daughter's college campus and we had time to kill because she had classes. So I dragged my husband into both Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I didn't pick up anything in Marshalls and he's like, I want to go already. So the TJ Maxx was more successful because it was the first stop. So I got this shirt. The name is called Marled. It's just a sweater polo. It is form-fitting. I don't mind that. And the price that I paid was $19.99. And again, it's a polo style with the collar and a couple buttons. And I'm always looking for white tops, white bottoms. I'm always messing things up. This is 77% rayon, 23% nylon. It's a nice soft material. It seemed pretty quality. And yeah, I was like, when I was looking at it, I couldn't find any flaws with it. So I grabbed it. Next up that I also got in TJ Maxx, I'm going to call this color terracotta, adobe, I'm not quite sure. It's just a t-shirt, but it's a nice t-shirt. It does have the seam in the back, all right? It has the V-neck. Now, I have to tell you, when I was there at TJ Maxx and I'm picking through, I saw this same exact shirt and I picked it up and I really liked it. And then I looked at the stitching and the stitching was all messed up. And, you know, that's another thing, too. When you're shopping at Marshalls and TJ Maxx and any kind of discount store, and really regardless anywhere, but especially for the discount stores, before you think, wow, what a bargain, inspect that item. Because usually there's a reason why it's faulty and, it has a steep discount. Sometimes you're lucky and sometimes you get a good piece. But other times, and it can happen at a regular store, like Nordstrom it can even happen at. But it's more likely to happen at the retailers that are discounted that the items are flawed, and you just got to look them over very carefully. So I had to put this top back, and then I found another one, same size, same color, and I checked it out and I couldn't find anything wrong with this one. I'm hoping there's nothing wrong with it. And yeah, so let me tell you the fabric of this because it's really nice and soft. 47% modal, 47% cotton, and 6% spandex. So I really like this top, and the name brand is Max Studio. Okay? So yeah, it's a pretty color top, and I'm happy to add it to my collection. It's a soft t-shirt. And I thought it would be a good layering piece, and even into the fall, too. And I thought it would look great with olive, but I'll try it all on with the pants. Okay, next up. This is even before I went away to my daughter's school. I went to Marshall's by my house and I picked up this white top. Yes, you're like, a lot of whites. I mean, I had a white Stitch Fix. Now I'm a white budget haul here. I'm picking up a lot of white these days. But I saw this, I thought it was a cute. So it's like a waffle knit style top. So more something for like the fall, maybe even the winter, with a cute little peplum bottom. And it has like the gathered sleeves. And I would say, what is this? I want to call this a crew neck, maybe a ballet neck we would call this. And this was $12.99. Oh, and the t-shirt, what did I pay for the t-shirt? $12.99. So yeah, this is made out of, it's hand washed with like colors, cool iron if needed. And it's 96 polyester, 4% spandex. All right. So I thought this is cute and a good basic white top to wear with things. And I'm going to try on all the tops at the bottoms. I wouldn't necessarily pair them together, but we're going with it for now. All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, I have on the polo sweater from TJ Maxx for $19.99. As you see, it is very fitted. I'm okay with that. You know, no problems. The next I have on are the level 99 pants, and I am thrilled with these. I've been on the hunt for like a beige type of linen pants. I was thinking maybe some more loose and flowy and beachy, but everything I tried on, they just looked off on me, like frumpy, and it was a wrinkled mess. So these, even though they're more fitted than I had in my mind, they're very, very like loose and comfortable, and they're not a wrinkled mess. And yeah, they're keepers. $25.99. I am thrilled with these. So I'm 5'2". I wouldn't necessarily pair this whole outfit together, but I said let me grab a pair of my heels. Most of my heels are roughly the same height. And this is like the height that I would wear, so I would put on these heels just to see how it hit on my leg, and it comes like right to the top of my ankle. So I am thrilled. $25.99 from Poshmark, $19.99 from TJ Maxx. Please don't forget about Poshmark. Poshmark, you can find like beautiful new tag items that you just got to search clothes that you know, brands that you know, and the clothing sizes that you know, and new with tags, and yeah, you'll see so much there. So I'm thrilled with the pants, happy with the sweater, and give me a minute, I'll pop on the next shirt I got. I kept the pants and shoes on and just popped up on the top. So again, this is like a brownish, reddish, kind of like a terracotta adobe type of color. It's coming more brown off the camera, but on it has a little bit more hint of red to it. Super soft. It has a little bit of the cuff sleeves that are folded up, and the seam that runs down the back. Happy to add this to my t-shirt collection. Give me a minute and I'll pop on the peplum top. Okay, we have the last item, which is the peplum top that I got at Marshall's. This top and the last top were both $12.99, but the prior two tops are TJ Maxx. This one is Marshall's. It's a waffle knit. It has a ruffle around the sleeves. I realize it might be a little bit sheer or see-through, but I would wear a cami with it in the early spring or fall months. I can always use white tops, and this is different and unique to my wardrobe. It has like a little peplum bottom, banded here. Yeah, I like this top, and I am very happy with my affordable fashion haul. Now, I don't always do affordable fashion. Matter of fact, I seldom do. But I don't think that should hold you back from subscribing to me. I do lots of shopping hauls, clothing, try-ons, unboxings, and it might help you, give you inspiration to mix and match things in your wardrobe, maybe add a new style or color that you don't already have. That's why I follow other YouTubers. Some of them not my style. Some of them not my size at all, but I follow them and watch them because they might have something that I want, or maybe something I have and I didn't think of pairing together. So subscribe, click the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, and take care, and until next time.